Want to know how to make money on Pinterest? I'm not ashamed to admit that I started blogging because I wanted to make money. And since I've started, I've realized Pinterest is another way to make money online. And you can do it with or without a blog. In this post, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make money using Pinterest. There are more ways than one. How much you can be earning, it's more than you think. How to make money on Pinterest. How much can you make? Before I even tell you how, you'll probably want a rough idea of how much you can actually make to see if it's worth your time. The truth is there isn't really a maximum amount you can make. It's limitless. Looking for a more accurate figure to aspire to? Dale from Blogging Her Way currently makes around $500 per month simply pinning images on Pinterest. Even better is she created an ebook teaching you exactly how she does it, get paid to pin. That's just the start of it. Lee from The Sweetest Way makes $1,500 per month from her Pinterest side hustle. And I have no doubt that you could make even more. What you need to do before you consider making money on Pinterest. Now you know that you can make money on Pinterest, you'll probably want to get started straight away. But what you absolutely need to do before you start trying to make money from Pinterest is learn how to use Pinterest properly. Because you're not going to make much money if you're not reaching many people. I know that's probably frustrating to hear, as it can take ages to learn, and I understand, because it took me months, maybe years, to figure it all out. But now I reach over 400,000 people on Pinterest monthly. And I've put my best tips into a free course. It will teach you everything you need to become a Pinterest pro. I've called it Easy Pinterest, as it'll show you how to master Pinterest easily. It contains information you won't find anywhere else. Seriously, I couldn't find any posts on what plugins to use to get a pin it button on my blog. And will help you up your Pinterest game massively. Method 1. Link to a product. Yep. This one doesn't even require you to have a blog. You can literally just upload an image and have it link straight to a product using your affiliate link. Then whenever somebody purchases via that link, you get money. There are more details to it and legalities to consider. Which is why I recommend investing in a course that specifies in affiliate marketing. If you're solely looking to learn about affiliate marketing on Pinterest, with or without a blog, and for an inexpensive option, I recommend Get Paid to Pin. Method 2. Link to a blog post that has an affiliate link. This method takes longer, but can be more effective. That's because including a link in a blog post allows you to establish trust with the reader, making them more willing to purchase. Remember, some affiliate programs are for products that are hundreds of pounds. People will want to know more about it before they spend hundreds. And a blog post is the perfect way to give them that security. I personally tend to make more affiliate sales using this method. So if you're reading this and want to start your own blog, check out my ultimate How to Start a Blog guide. It's over 4,000 words long and will have your blog up and running in under an hour. What if you already have a blog, but you're new to affiliate marketing? If you want to know the complete ins and outs, then you should considering investing in Making Sense of Affiliate Marketing. It is the course on affiliate marketing for people that are new to it. The creator, Michelle from Making Sense of Sense, makes over $50,000 per month from affiliate marketing and has put all her knowledge into an online course. It starts at the basics and covers really important stuff like staying legal. It is the online course that I recommend for affiliate marketing. I credit it as the reason I made my first affiliate sale and continue to make them. So what if you don't really think affiliate marketing is your thing? Perhaps you don't really want to be working for someone else, selling their products for them. Maybe you want to be your own boss? That's part of the reason I started blogging. Well, you can make money on Pinterest doing that too. Method 3. Link to your products on Etsy, eBay, etc. Do you make your own products? If so, you can easily pin photographs of your products and link directly to a sales website so people can buy it. The best part about this is that you don't even need your own blog or website for it. You can sell your crafts on Etsy or link to eBay. There are plenty of websites you can list your products on and share for an easy way to make money on Pinterest. Method 4. Link straight to a shop page on your website. Again, you can cut out the middleman to make even more money. Although they're easier to use, websites like Etsy do take money from you for using their website. They do this either through selling fees, listing fees, or other ways. If you list your products on your own website or blog, you can make even more money. Pin images of your products from your shop page, and people can buy the products they see on Pinterest directly from you. And you can make money. How to make money on Pinterest without promoting products. Okay, so maybe you don't want to promote products to make money, regardless of who owns them. You might be wondering if you can still make money using Pinterest. Well, luckily you can. And some of these methods might make you even more money. Method 5. Link straight to a course. If the audience you've grown on Pinterest is unlikely to buy objects, think outside the box. Perhaps there is a course they'd love that they'd be willing to try. You can actually pin images that talk about the course and link straight to that course. For example, I share a pin saying how this blogger makes $50,000 per month. I use my affiliate link as the link for the pin, which goes straight to the landing page for making sense of affiliate marketing. People who want to make money will be interested. They will then be taken to a sales page for a course that will teach them how to make money online. Method 6. Link to your blog post discussing the course. The same principle applies to promoting products as it does for promoting services. People want to be sure before they buy, and a blog post can help that. You can fully discuss the course and give people a more accurate idea of what it's like, which you couldn't achieve just through pinning it straight to Pinterest. For example, say most of your Pinterest followers are interested in weight loss. Use Pinterest to get them to your post. Tell them all about this weight loss course you took, which helped you lose 15 pounds and all the essential details. Then they can use the affiliate link to buy that course, as they want to lose that much weight too. You make money. Method 7. Link to your own course. Stop earning for other people and start earning for you. No matter what your Pinterest audience is interested in, you can probably make a course for it. Whether it's a crocheting course that promises to show beginners how to become advanced, or a step-by-step for getting into shape ready for summer, or teaching you ways to save money. As long as you have information that's valuable, people will pay for it. Although it does help to link to your blog first, you don't actually need a blog for this. You can just link straight to the platform your course is on. Hint: if you have your own course, product or service, you can also have an affiliate program for it. Then you can share pins that lead to other blog posts discussing your product, course or service. It'll make them money through affiliate marketing when someone reads the success they've had after they took your course, or how much they love the cute pillow, and makes a purchase. But it'll make you even more. You just made another sale. Method 8. Link to a service, a blog post discussing a service or your own service. All the ideas I just shared with you can also be applied to promoting a service to make money on Pinterest. You can share pins stating the results of the service, such as I got 20 new clients in a month after this one website tweak. Then link straight to a web design service. Or to a blog post discussing the ins and outs of the service. You can even link straight to your own service. Providing a service is an easy way to make money online, and Pinterest is the platform that can get you clients. No matter what your interests are, you can probably offer a service online, and Pinterest will help you. How to make money on Pinterest. Other methods. So if there weren't enough ways listed to make money on Pinterest, I'm going to give you 2 more ideas. Unfortunately, you do need a blog for these, but you can make loads of money through them. Method 9. Link to your subscribers page on your blog. If you're a blogger and you haven't heard the phrase "the money's in the list," I'd be surprised. But what does it even mean? Basically, if you want to make money, get an email list going. For example, if you are a crochet blogger, pin images to Pinterest like 10 free crochet patterns that lead to a sign-up page for free crochet patterns. Get people to sign up for 10 free crochet patterns now. You have their email. You can send them helpful emails all about crocheting, including some with affiliate links or products of yours they might want to buy. Simple. Method 10. Use paid advertisements on your blog. This one is even easier. You just need to make sure your pins are good enough that people want to click through to your website. The more people who click through, the more money you make. You can share pins from specific posts with more advertisements on. Then whenever someone clicks through to your post, you make money. Just make sure that your pins are good enough and get lots of people wanting to click through. You can find out how to get more people to click through to your blog on Pinterest here.